So you said it was for the last 4 years it's been fine. Now it's just blowing cold air.
Yeah, just obviously we haven't had it on because it's warm, but
all right, let's check it out.
All this is getting cleared out, so
that's on you, brother.
it's embarrassing.
Nah, I've seen worse. Trust me. All right, take me to your attic access.
Yes.
Hey, guy.
That's Benny. Go ahead and go that way.
Okay.
And then to the stairs up. Okay.
I'll follow you.
Come on, bud. Come on, hurry up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go up here and see what's up, okay?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's something simple.
I hope so. Yeah, you'll see when you get up there.
Okay.
Those fucking tunnel things are all pink, man. There's no more gray on them.
Oh, the tunnel things, he says. The ducks?
The ducks, yeah.
Well, let's see if we can find the major issue first. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, these ducks have seen better days. Holy. I mean, it's just a plastic, right? I mean, they're still intact. Maybe. Yeah, these ducks are pretty rough.
Yeah.
All right.
Not as bad when I moved in 4 years ago, but
I'll be right back.
yeah.
See what's wrong with this thing. They couldn't put this thing in here any tighter.
Pretty tight?
Jesus.
Yeah, that's why I looked up there, I was like, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like to the left, right?
Yeah, it's... Yeah. Yeah.
Not quite as much room as that one.
You got here. Try not to have any shocking experiences. Let's put this in. You're the old wackaroo. Old Smoky. All right, my friend.
Ooh, I smell it.
Yeah, you got a bad control board. You got a bad control board. Let me go. I might have one in my van. Let me go take a look, okay?
Yeah.
That's a ST9120G. Take a picture. And of course, I left my cell phone down there. ST9120.
ST9120.
Yep. ST9120. Let me go take a gander. And let me check this capacitor while I'm here too.
ST9120.
Yeah. Just text that to me. ST9120G.
Oh, I didn't put the G. Here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Flame sensor probably dirty too. Have you had any maintenance done on this since you lived here?
Not at all.
Yeah, I could. Holy. Yeah, these burners are. Oh man, there's all kinds of critters up in here. Okay. Let's see what we got when this get in. 7.5. Yeah, capacitor's roached. All right. So let me see if I got a board first, okay?
Yeah.
Let me get that out of here. Ducks are smoked. This looks like an anaconda up here in your attic.
Yeah.
You got a big old anaconda laying over there in the corner.
I do know I eat those things.
See that?
Like an actual snake?
That's what it looks like.
The skin's skin.
Yeah, anaconda skin.
I know I knew neat ones.
Yeah, this thing here is Old Smoky.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me see what size this thing is. What do you do for work, man?
I put people in rehab, and I.
Where do I sign up? Okay.
I'm in recovery. I smoke weed now.
Oh, you're in recovery?
Yeah, dude. I had a heroin problem.
Hey, man.
Alcohol, heroin.
You doing good though now? You doing good now, right?
Yeah, dude. Look, I got the scars to prove.
You're rehab in jail?
I went to jail. I got caught, selling again.
So now you work with rehab?
Yeah.
That's good, man.
I smoke weed. I started smoking weed on year 7 because I didn't want to be on like anxiety meds, and I really don't think.
Well, it looks like you're doing pretty goddamn good.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
ST9120. Yeah. ST9120G right there. Neutral. Transformer and then D1. Okay. Good. The old inducer. Neutral. Neutral. Blower motor leads. Okay. Set this up in here. Ready for launch. All right. So now, blower kicks on. I'm gonna change this cap out. Man, the ducks are in rough shape. Look at that. Fish mouth. This blower will probably come on, but that cap's gotta be replaced. It's only reading 5 microfarads. It's rated for 7.5. I'm gonna change that too. And yeah, he wants an estimate for a new system, so I'm gonna leave him with that as well, but he'll have heat today. We're good to go. So now let me change this cap out. Then I want to get the hell up out of here. As most of you know, this is a turbo cap, so this capacitor is rated for 7.5, right? 7.5. Let's see what we got. .5 plus or minus 5. Reading 5.4, so it's got juice, but it's not within parameters. So then you get the turbo cap. This is, you can, it's universal. So that's 7.5, 2.5 to go to 10 or 5. So with the 7.5, I just got to come here to here, and I'm good. So you just come here. I'm just gonna bend these out. Then you go to 7.5, right? But I'll show you before I do that. You just come here. 7.5. But if I wanted to make this a 10, I would just jump this out, go from 7.5 over to 2.5, right? Now, if I come here and here, I'll read 10 microfarads. See, I've seen 10? So that's why I like carrying these. You can make whatever you want, whatever you need. All right, man. Let me get this put back together and get the hell up out of here. This thing runs. That don't sound good either. Like I said, I quoted this guy for a new system just so he has it, because I mean, any money you put in this thing at this point kind of defeating the purpose. But you know, everybody don't have fucking a bunch of money to spend to replace a unit every day. So that's why I give them options, you know. And get them back on track. I need to go home and cook some steaks and drink some beer. Yeah. That's it. On to the next one, baby. We out. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's a good guy. Good girl. Yeah, he's a good girl. Oh, yeah. You in charge around here? Are you in charge? Are you in charge? All right. Friday. I'm out of here. All right, well, there you have it. Another satisfied customer. He wanted me to leave him an estimate, so I left him an estimate for his system replacement. Those ducts are really bad. So I left him an estimate to have, I gave him 3 options with duct work. He's gonna get that done probably here in the next couple weeks to a month. But right now he just wants to, wanted to get it running. So I put a control board in there and a capacitor. I like carrying those control boards on my truck or in my van because it just eliminates the hassle of having to run back and get a control board if you need it. So the boards that I carry will handle mostly almost any situation outside of some of the new stuff. But a lot of people don't like using those. Some people want the OEM, you know, wire for wire.
Right. Turn left on the
but
road.
it really doesn't matter to me. I use universal ones. They're less money, less expensive for me, and I don't have to wait to get the board. And a lot of times, they don't even carry the damn things. You gotta wait for a couple days or a day to get them. But anyway, another happy customer. It's Friday. It's time to go home and relax. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, be sure to like, subscribe, follow me over there on YouTube and TikTok. And yeah, on to the next one.